Today, let's learn how to fold a paper airplane. This is one of the airplanes I've already made. It's a cargo paper airplane. Let's make one together. First, get a piece of paper. The paper should have some strength, like a piece of print paper is good enough. When you get the paper, the first step is to fold in half along the long edge and match the corners. Make sure you match the corners. After you match the corners, you flatten the edge. Okay. All right, the edge is flattened. If you open it, you can see there is a nice straight middle line. That's going to be our reference line for the folding. Next step, you can see there are two half edges shorter. 1, 2. We fold one of the edges against or align with the center line like this. You get a triangle. Then flatten it. It's important to flatten because if you flatten it, it will hold. Then we do the other half, this edge along with the center line, like this. Okay, flatten it. Make it as flat as possible. Now, observe we have a straight line here from the two triangles. The next step is we fold along with this line from the two triangles. We fold it up. Make sure the tip is aligned with our center line again. Then you flatten the bottom. Okay, now you have a big triangle folded up. The next step is we want this tip, this half, fold up but against somewhere here from the top of the tip, probably 1 fingernail width. So you have a fingernail here, we want to fold this tip up to this point, lower than the tip. I'll show you now. So this tip going somewhere here, like fingernail down from the top. Now you flatten the edge. Okay. Next, we do the other half. Similarly, this tip is going to match what the other half is at. So this edge, this tip is going to match this tip. So we fold it up, make sure they match, and hold it. Then flatten the rest of the edge. Okay. Now you have a big triangle here and a little tip there. We can flip the tip down to hold those two parts. So we can fold this tip down, make sure the tip is still along the center line. Okay, now flatten it, it holds there. After you hold it, we want to fold the airplane the other way. Basically, it's like this. The middle line should go up. The two sides are going backward. Again, we got here, we want the center to go up. Then the two sides are going backwards. Now, we fold it into halves, okay? The last step we are going to do is to get the wings. The wings, for the wings, we fold this edge along with the center line. So if we do this edge to the center line aligned, then you flatten it. It takes a little bit pressure at the bottom because there are a couple of layers and it's getting thick. All right, one wing out. And we're doing the other. Flip the airplane all the way. Do the same. Make sure this edge is going to along with this center line. We fold it. And also we want to make sure those two wings are symmetric, means they are exactly the same. That way our airplane is going to be stable. All right, flatten it. And flatten all the way. Now you have the airplane. Now we hold it and adjust the wing or spread the wing a little bit. All right, now you have a cargo airplane. Flies like